Today in Python programming we learn chapter 9 data structure part 1. So data structure. What is data structure? Data structure is physical implementation that clearly defines a way of storing, accessing, manipulating data stored in data structure. So it is defined how we can store data in memory, or how we can access data from memory, or how we can manipulate data from memory. So it is all about arranging data in a memory in a proper way. So data structure are two types: simple data structure, compound data structure. First is simple data structure. These data structures are normally built from primitive type like integer, real, character, boolean, array. Array or linear list is an example of simple data structure. So simple data structure, what we have learned before, our data types like list, tuple, dictionary, integer, character, float. So these are also known as simple data structure. Second is compound data structure. Compound data structure, simple data structure can be combined in various ways to form more complex structure called compound data structure. So if we combine simple data structure in a multiple way, that form a compound data structure. Compound data structure also divide into two parts: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So first is linear data structure. These data structures are single level data structure. A data structure is used to be linear if its elements from a sequence. So all elements stored in a sequence, which is known as linear data structure. So linear data structure examples is stack, queues, linked list is the example of linear data structure. Second is non-linear data structure. These are multi-level data structure like tree, graph. So in tree, data is not stored in a proper sequence, it is stored in a hierarchical format. So such data is known as non-linear data structure. So here it is a diagram of data structure. So data structure is divided into two parts: simple data structure and compound data structure. Simple data structure example is array, and compound structure is divided into two parts: linear and non-linear. So linear example is stack, queue, linked list. In linear data structure, all elements stored in a linear format or in a proper sequence. And non-linear example is tree, so where data is stored in a hierarchical format. So we will learn all these data types one by one. So first is linear data structure. Linear list or array refers to a named list of a finite number of n similar data elements. Like here we have a list which has 5 elements. So first we have to define how many elements we want in a list. So like in this example we define 5 elements. So array are implemented through list data type in Python. So first element address is A0, second is A1, A2, A3, A4. So in array or Python list, elements location starts from 0. So this is known as linear list array. Second is stack. Stack is linear data structure which is based on LIFO. So LIFO means last in first out. So element which comes last will be deleted first. So like in this diagram, in stack, insertion and deletion takes from only one end, which is called top. So from top location we can insert the element and we can delete the element. So to delete and insert element we have only one end, and which end is known as top. So stack, element which comes in last will be deleted first. In the same way, queue is a linear data structure which is based on FIFO, first in first out. So element which is insert first will be delete first. Like in a general queue, which people which comes first will be removed first. In queue, insertion take place at the rear end. So all elements will inserted in from rear end and delete from front end. And next is linked list. These are special type of some data elements linked to one another. Each element is called node, like in a diagram. So every node is divided into two parts. First part is known as information part and second part is known as reference pointer. So each element is called a node which has two parts. First part is known as info part and second part is known as reference pointer, which has address of next node. So this node has, first part is 15 is info part and next is address part which has next node address. So automatically it will link to the next node. So then next node, first part is known as info part and address of next node. So these are all elements linked to one another. That's why it is called linked list. So we have tree. Next example is tree. Tree are multi-level data structure having a hierarchical relationship among its all elements called nodes. Like in this diagram, all elements is called as node and topmost node is called the root of the tree. So this A node is known as the root of the tree and the remaining child node is known as leaf node. So last node, bottommost nodes are called leaves of the tree. So last node is known as the leaf node of the tree. So today we learned data structure, types of data structure, and we learned different types of data structure with diagram and their examples. Thank you.